Guys, yesterday we have seen what is all about data science, right? We have discussed about what is all about machine learning, right? So going forward, anybody say anything about machine learning? Are you guys able to connect it? Are you able to understand what I'm talking, right? What are the technology name you have heard? Natural language processing, text mining, deep learning, machine learning, right? In machine learning, we have seen there are four segregation. One is called supervised machine learning, where you get how many type of problem? Two types of problem, right? Regression, classification problem. Regression means there are four modules: simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, decision tree, and random forest. Clear? Classification problem, what we have seen? So you can see here, we have discussed yesterday, these are the points. Artificial intelligence, I told you there are two type of artificial intelligence we have. One is called rule based AI, another is called machine learning AI, right? In machine learning, we have categorized into four parts. It's mentioned three only, but ideally there are four parts. So when we say supervised means one is regression and another is classification. Yeah. Second is unsupervised machine learning. Clustering is also known as segmentation problem, right? And one more is there, that is called recommendation system or association rule mining, market basket analytics. How Amazon Prime, right? How Netflix works, how Flipkart works. So this algorithm, this kind of problems you can solve by the help of unsupervised machine learning. Now, what is the meaning of this supervised and unsupervised? Guys, whenever if someone asks you what is the difference in supervised and unsupervised, what answer you will give? What is your understanding? Yesterday we have discussed very detailed quantitative and qualitative. I said, brother, if it is regression, you can say it's a quantitative. If it is classification, you can say qualitative. That is the nature of supervised. See, what is the difference, guys? Let's say what happened. Right now, I'm teaching you, right? I'm telling you what happened. I say 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is what? Immediately you say 4 plus 2, 2 answer. I say no, it's incorrect, right? Why? Because first you have to do the BODMAS formula. So first division, then addition. So first you divide 2 divided by 2 is 1 and 2 plus 1, 3 answer. Next time, if I ask same questions, I'm saying, buddy, tell me 3 plus 3 divided by 3 is what? So you will not make a mistake. You will not add 3 plus 3, 6 and divide by 3, 2. You will not say 2. You can say 3 divided by 3, 1 and 3 plus 1, 4. Yes or no? That is called supervised machine learning. When I'm teaching something and next time when I ask question, you can give me answer. So I know the answer also. So supervised machine learning means you know the answer. That means you are aware of the target variable. You are aware of the target variable, output variable. So wherever if anybody asks you, brother, what is supervised machine learning? Supervised machine learning, you can say where target variable are known. Target variable. Or this is also called output variable. Or this is also called result variable is known. Are you clear, guys? This is simply you appear for CAT examination. Let's say, just I'm giving a very hypothetical example. You appear for a CAT examination. What you are doing? First, you are preparing yourself. No, you are preparing yourself in quant, English, right, reasoning, data interpretation, all these things. And then you are doing a mock test. Mock test, what happened? You analyze yourself where, what score I am getting. Answer is already there, right? Once you finish the mock test, then you are validating the answer. That means answer is known, but you just check yourself how much accurate I am. Supervised machine learning also happen when you build a model with the training data set, you can check your accuracy. So wherever accuracy means target variable, you wanted to check your answer. That is called supervised machine learning. Very simple. Anybody asks you what is supervised machine learning, what you say? You can say, I know the answer. But when I build a model, I wanted to predict. I wanted to predict with my test data set. okay, with my test data set, and I wanted to match how much accurate I am. If my accuracy is 80%, 90%, 95%, then we can say I am confident, I will go by that model. Very simple, guys. Unsupervised machine learning means you don't know the answer. Like cluster, you are working in a company where it's a vehicle company. So there is a car came into market, right? You wanted to identify which customer would be my ideal customer who will buy that car, right? So you will do marketing only. Whether they will turn up, they will buy or not, that is not in your hand. You can only convince them. So where you don't know how many customer will come, how many customer will purchase, you don't know, but you know only audience, you know only target, right? So that is called unsupervised machine learning. This is just like when any child, they are riding their bicycle and suddenly some center force happens, they have to manage, right? When the turn comes, they have to manage. You can't teach them that okay, you have to maintain 45-degree at least distance. Otherwise, if you go 35 and 30, you will fall. It's not happen. Even they fall, but again a baby, they stand up and then running, right? This is what happens. Unsupervised means there is no training, there is no instructor, there is no answer given. You only build a model, you can go ahead. When you go in the shopping, right, supermarket or not supermarket, I'm just saying a mall and all, you can see buy two get one. They are giving offer only. That is called association rule mining. Now you as a customer, it's up to you. You wanted to purchase or you don't want. Will they say no? You enter my shop, you have to buy. Otherwise, I will not allow to go outside. Is it possible? They will run their market then? They will run their business on that market? Perhaps no. So that is called unsupervised machine learning. Wherever any problem where you don't know the answer, that is called unsupervised machine learning. Very clear, guys? Everybody? Third part is called reinforcement learning. Reinforcement, I have given very good example yesterday, self-driving car. Yeah. So when you make a mistake, what you do, you can rectify this and again go ahead. So that is why we can say penalty, right? If you make a mistake, if you are not able to complete your game level 1, you are failed, again you have to appear and play level 1. Once you pass level 1, only then you can go in level 2. In IPL, if you are not qualified the first, right, then you will not go in the next semi-final and final. So you have to qualify first. Quarter final you clear, then only you can go in the semi-final. So that is called penalty and reward. If you qualify your quarter final, then you will get reward, you will go to semi-final. If you qualify semi-final, then you can go in the final match. This approach is known as reinforcement learning. Anybody say what is reinforcement learning? What you say? Self-drive car or any game I'm developing, right? Any app, if I'm saying okay, or Google translation, whatever you can speak in Tamil and you can say to Google, please convert into English. What happens? They can't speak English. They speak some other language which you don't know. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? It's a wrong, right? So that is called penalty. So you have to rectify your Google Assistant bot. That is called penalty. You have to check your models, fact this. If that is successfully coming, execution happen, that means you can go in the reward form, second form. Are you clear, guys? Yeah. Fourth part I told you, machine learning. What was there? Semi-supervised machine learning. Semi-supervised means time series forecasting. You have to predict something on the basis of past data. You can predict what will be the future. What would be the price if inflation come? What would be the price when deflation come? What would be the price when double dip economic come, right? What happened? How you can handle? That is called time series forecasting data. My dear friend, are you clear? Everybody on the same track or not? Yeah. So this is all about we will learn, right? Next part is limitation of machine learning. There are some limitation in machine learning. What limitation? If you have a billions of billions data. In Excel, if I ask you in a very simple way, my friend, in Excel, what are the limitations? What you say? First limitation you will tell me that, sir, if we have 1 lakh data, my Excel will not perform. It will hang, it will go circle by circle. right? If we have a 5 lakh data, I am not able to do in Excel. Is it possible? Excel cannot perform, right? So similarly, in machine learning, if you have a billions of data, machine learning is not able to perform properly. For that, you have to go in deep learning. When deep learning come into picture, guys, deep learning means image recognition, right? You have seen yesterday, I told you machine learning techniques, elephant image. I have given the rule, but after that, what happened? I said, what is this? There is no rule followed, but you just say, no, this is also elephant. Yes or no? If such kind of complex problem comes, then machine learning cannot perform. For that, you can go in deep learning. Are you clear or not clear, my dear friend? Everybody? Basic fundamental is very, very required, guys. If your basic is clear, you will not find any challenge. You will actually rejoice with the modeling. When you build a model, you will really enjoy. But if your basic is not clear, your fundamental is not clear, you are not clear what I'm going to do it, then there is a problem. And that is why I told you 3 things you have to remember. Yeah? What are the 3 things? You can say somewhere I have written in notebook, just wait, I'm opening my notebook and then I'll tell you. What are we going to do with this model building, with this raw data? Then what are the attributes we are going to use, right? And what we have to achieve it. Very good. Next is how deep learning solve it. So as I said, any type, the way human being is thinking. Like I have given example Robin app, right? If you have an Android phone, you can just go in a store and download Robin app. Please try this. If you have Apple phone, right? You can go and just download Siri app. You can say anything to Robin. Robin, can you please order pizza? They will search and they will say, sir, there are 2 pizza showroom there nearby you. Which pizza do you want? Robin, can you please send a message? Message box will come. You can try today. See how advanced we are, where we are staying. Your mobile phone, when battery is coming on 10%, are you getting pop-up or not? Oh, my battery. What is this? It's a AI, no? It's a ruled base. So you have built a rule that anywhere the battery is coming less than 10%, I will get indication. There is a threshold value also there. If you go in setting, you can say don't give any indication. That is called threshold value. Who is setting this rule, guys? You guys only, right? So mobile phone, what you have, that is also AI. That is why you are getting indication. No, that's why you are putting on charger. That okay, my battery is very less. Why not I can put? And not only this, they will tell you how many hours it will work. Laptop also, they will say how many hours it will work. What is this? Ruled based AI. You have put the rule there. Are you with me, guys? Everybody? So this is what deep learning come into picture. And real time, guys, whatever topic I have written everywhere, you will learn 4, 5, 6, 7 projects. Every algorithm, you will learn 4, 5 projects. Okay? Not only R, but also Python. Because world is in Python only. R and Python, what is the basic difference in R and Python? Both are tool, no? Both are tool. Both are language. R developed by statistician. Python developed by mathematician. That is why people trust on R more when they go in stats figure, right? Time series forecasting data. But when you do image recognition processing, when you do natural language processing, when you do text mining processing, when you do, voice recognition, when you do, you have a huge data set, that time you can go, who is the liable source? Python. So every tool, every language has own significance. Are you with me? Everyone? Yeah? Anybody have any questions? Any jargon word now? I hope it's clear. Yesterday I have discussed, now it's familiar, no? Supervised, we are talking supervised means we have a target variable. I know the answer, right? Classification, regression, what is this? This is the model, that is the part of supervised machine learning. Yes? So you can understand, you can connect it. As I said, guys, if you wanted to become a data scientist, right, you should know, if you have a computer background, a IT background, of course you can become a data scientist, right? Next, maths or stats. If you have a basic maths, you have done graduation in maths, right, or statistics, you can become a data scientist. Domain and business knowledge. You have HR domain, you have commerce domain, you have arts background, but I'm interested. Why? Because I'm working, I'm seeing every day lots of data is happening, and everybody is talking data science operation. My God, what happened? Tomorrow my job will be there or not, right? Some recession will come into picture. How I can survive? For that, what is the best approach? 2035, nothing will happen if I become a data scientist now. 2035, new technology will come. I have to upskill myself. This is what the target is, right? You can think about this. So you can also become a data scientist. Of course, if you are in software developer or traditional research, or if you are a machine learning engineer, then again you can become. Yes, your class anytime you can come. Please come 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock, no problem. That's the liberty, guys, in your batch. Okay, 4 to 8 class timing is there. Whenever you want, you can come. Whenever you want to go, you can go. Nobody stop you. Your career, no? Can you imagine yesterday class, if you missed, what happened? Now you find challenges, no? These are the jargon words for you. If you miss today's session, you will not connect tomorrow. But good part is you have a recording and all. You can please go. Yesterday, it's 1.5 hour session only. So my request to anyone who not participated yesterday, please go and watch. Fine? So that you will get a holistic approach what is all about data science and all. So guys, this part is clear. So if you have a maths background, stats, fair enough. If you have a computer background, you can also become, or even you have a basic back office kind of things, or a business analytics, you can go and apply for this. So there is no restriction. It's not like a Java kind of things. Definition of data science. There are n number of things there, and in fact, you need not to worry about, and you could not mug up the definition. Now you are not on the platform that you can mug up and then you can go and write in paper, right? You can explain what is all about data science, right? What is all about data science? Data scientists, they can perform artificial intelligence, they can also do data analytics part, and 4 analytics part I have discussed, right? So these are the things you should understand. Basic maths, guys, even though some people they have a maths background or a statistics background, they can become easily a data scientist. Those they don't, like commerce background, arts background, right, HR background and all, these are the basic things, guys, you should know. What is this? Linear algebra, you should know what is matrix, you should know what is elementary maths, right? And calculus, if you go in deep learning, some bit of calculus like differential calculus and integral calculus. Okay, when I say linear algebra, that time also you should understand little bit of determinant, how it forms, right? Why? Because we will learn eigen methods, unique identity matrix, right? So these are the basic things you should understand. Statistics, theory of probability. Probability is mandatory, guys. Without probability, you can't perform anything. So probability you will learn in detail. Okay, what is all about the probability and all. Theory of hypothesis testing. So hypothesis testing, ANOVA testing, Gini index, chi-square test, measure of disbursement, measure of central tendency, normal distribution. These are the things you should know. So that part will cover this. So these 2 things is mandatory if you really wanted to become a good data scientist, if you really wanted to solve problems properly, not only when you get a job, but also if you are interested, you can go in kaggle.com, ucimachinelearning.com, or if you participate in any hackathon project, that is mandatory. You should know this. Clear, guys? Anything, if you have a role, you can become a data scientist, guys. Okay, so these are the lots and lots and lots of language there. Someone say I'm a HTML developer, this software engineer, data scientist. So anybody is there, you can put yourself where you stand, right? And you can learn these things. Okay, I'll share this link, this PPT. Don't worry, this is for you guys only. Okay, I'll share this. No need to write it. Just give one glance so that you can get some flavor. No, what is all about this? So these are the role there, guys. When you get a job, you will get these kind of roles. So like if you wanted to become a data analytics, then you should know some programming language like R or Python. When I say tool means R or Python. These are the tool. When I say SAS, statistical analysis software, Tableau is a tool, Power BI is a tool, right? SQL is a tool, Hadoop is a tool. So these are the tool you should understand. Data visualization is mandatory if you become a data analytics. So I told you yesterday, guys, if you wanted to become first job, right? When you get a job right now, even though you have n number of experience, but when you get a job, first 6 months, they will give you a data for doing data analytics only. So what does mean by data analytics? Data pre-processing, data manipulation, data exploratory analysis, and data visualization. Yes or no? So these 4 things you will do it. So wherever big circle is there, that is your main role, key role you will do it. Okay. Next is machine learning engineering. So if you wanted to become a machine learning engineer, guys, you have to know this. You have to know, because you will build algorithm also, and algorithm works only with supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement learning and all. Data engineer, then you should only know some tool concept. Data wrangling means data manipulation concept. And then software engineer, if you have a background like you have done engineering and all, and you have a software background, you can go and become a data engineer also. And last but not least, data scientist. As I said, data scientist will do all these things. You guys enrolled here for data scientist, so you should know all these things. Your role is no specific, okay, I wanted to learn this particular thing. No, you are learning everything, okay, and then you are going for this. Clear? Understood? What is your role? Your role is you should know, you should very good in language also. Don't think, okay, if I become a data scientist, I will not learn language. Language is also mandatory. You can't avoid language, right? You should know coding part also. Then next part, I am a data scientist, you should also know algorithm, you should also know math, you should also know deep learning concept, you should also know machine learning concept. So everything is possible, data scientist. Are you clear, guys? This slide? This is just few tools. If you are working in any tool, you may be a data scientist, and these are the main things. Source data would be SQL, would be your Hadoop, big data, right? Or would be anything. Or stored data, so you will get a warehouse and all kind of things. So that part will come. Convert and ETL. From here onwards, your role comes. This is their IT role, guys. This is not your role. If you are a data scientist, you will not do these parts. Your role is not to storing the data. Even the name is data scientist, but you will not store a data. Your client, your stakeholder, they will give you. Okay? Your role will come here, transform data. When they give raw data, you have to transform into Python or R or SAS or whatever tool you will use it. And then you can analyze it, right? Then you can do all this thing. Exploratory analysis, EDA concept. What is all about EDA? Univariate, bivariate, multiple variate, right? Correlation. These are the things you will do it. Model building and insights. So model building means you can build a machine learning technique, supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement, or semi-supervised machine learning. Nothing works, go in deep learning. That is also not working. Image handwritten is there, natural language processing. Sentimental analysis. You can see Facebook, Twitter, no? One person writing one line, lots of people, they are just. So there are 2 type of people normally you will see in the social website, right? One who will support you, who will support your comment, another they will abuse you. Only 2 things happening. So you can fetch all the data in your system and analyze how many positive and how many negative is there. That is called sentimental analysis. So sentimental analysis, what it will do, you have to understand, okay, these are the positive customer, that means they are in favor. Who is not in favor, what I can do, what model I can build, or what actually they wanted to know, so that you can perform like that. This is widely used, especially in political party and all, right? Someone is favoring BJP, someone is not. No, they are not favored to BJP. What happened? What they will do? Any party, Congress or BJP or AIDMK or DMK or whatever, so and so on. What data scientists will do? If they hire you, you can just say who are in favor. So let's say there are 50,000 people, they are in favor. Just send positive message to them, because you have a detail, no? They are on social website. You have all details. Then the second part is who is not in favor. What you have to do? Understand the concept. Why not in favor? What is their ideology? That 50,000 you will not turn in positive. But if you do regular marketing with that 50,000, definitely 10%, 20% you can mold them. That is your achievement, no? So this is called sentimental analysis, guys. And that is also possible in R and Python. Clear? These are the tools there. You can just give a glance. R, SAS. So normally you guys will use, apart from Julia, SAP, Cognos, these are the things you will not use it. Okay? Every company has own requirements, so don't worry. Data science process. What are the process there? Business goal. As I said, whenever you get a raw data, you can understand the problem statement. What is this? Right? So this is your goal. Get data. When you know the problem statement, what you need, you understand the challenges, right? Now you can say, please give me the data. You will not generate, please believe me, right? Only some of the company, they are, if it's a bank, so bank has own customers. But some of the company, they are working on third part kind of things. They don't have own customer, right? So they will take it data. Credit card department, you can, unwanted call you are getting. Who is giving this? Airtel, other things, right? So third party data. So you can also ask data to them. You can see how much transaction happening, what type of problem it is. Okay. Third is called explore. Explore means descriptive analytics. Exploring means you have to see what is the average value, if it's financial data, you can see how the transaction happened, what is the monthly income is there. So everything you can find it. Exploratory is not only word explore, not only explore. Explore means descriptive analytics. That you will learn maybe next class when I will discuss about, or today only, not next class, today only. Okay. Model building, guys. Once data preparation done, exploration done, you have done all kind of things, your data is absolutely right, then you can think what type of problem it is, what type of algorithm I am going to build it, whether it's a regression problem or a classification problem or a segmentation or recommendation problem is there. 4 type of problem you will get day in day out activities when you get a job, right? And finally, guys, when you complete that, you can prepare a visualization, send to your stakeholder, you can communicate, you can showcase whatever you can do. That's the final project. Are you with me? You know the holistic approach, how the process works, what is the flow. You will get a problem statement. Next is you have to ask the data. Third thing, you can do pre-processing, manipulation, exploration. And the fourth part is you can build a model. Fifth is you can predict and share the data with them. That's the process. Clear? Okay. This is what I have discussed yesterday. Descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. So descriptive is what happened. When you have a raw data, you can just see that, right? You can find the mean. Okay. So there are some problems there. You can find some crunches there, right? So that is called, that's why we can say what happened. Diagnostic means why did it happen? So you can do, like I have a fever. Why it happened? So doctor, what it will do? They will say, can you give a blood test and all? So diagnostic, why this happened? So they will do the research. So you will research only. Your role is this also. That is called analytics, guys. Third is called predictive analytics. You have to forecast. You can give a medicine. You can say, okay, 1 week later you come. If you feel good, very good. If not, then I will do another test. Yes or no? And last but not least, how you will ensure that this will make it happen every time. Your model will go as per your wishes, as per your requirement. So these 4 things every time, my dear friend, you have to keep understand whenever you do. That is called advanced analytics. 4 key things you should remember. Are you with me, guys? Everyone? Yeah? This is what the machine learning all about. Can we discuss now machine learning? Yeah? Yesterday I have discussed in detail what are the machine learning we have, how you will perform it. So before we go into deep dive, I wanted to check from you, have you downloaded RStudio? Who all downloaded? I know my friend did this. Oh, now yesterday you did. Okay, super, sir. Yes. Okay. So many hands. Who didn't do that? You. Where is your laptop, sir? You didn't. You don't have. You have or you don't have? No, don't have. My God, when you become a data scientist, then how you do this? You will purchase, huh? Next Saturday? Super, brilliant. Today, no problem. You can take support from your friend, huh? And ma'am, where is your laptop? Next week? Okay. And what happened, ma'am? Which one you have to download? That's why you got okay. Any other guys? What happened, my friend? Okay. So guys, what you have to do, who has not done, can you please do this part? Go here in Google, please write CRAN, C-R-A-N, C-R-A-N, CRAN, not visible. Now, okay. So guys, can you use CRAN, CRAN? You will get the comprehensive R archive network. Okay? Click this and you can download this one. Here, if you have a Linux or Mac or Windows, you can decide and you can download it. It will take 2 to 3 minutes only.
I followed your but it appears that
Anaconda, it's there. Yeah. They have given Anaconda right now. I don't want Anaconda. When I will go in Python, that time I need Anaconda because there are some discrepancy there. So that's why I'm saying R you can use separately. Okay, here you will get more, no limitation. There is a limitation there. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Which one you have? Window. Click this. Now base. Click on base. Okay, download this. 4 point. Okay. Guys, let's say I have a window. I am just clicking here this. Now you will get this. You can select the base. Okay. And then you can download 4.0.3 version. Can you quickly do this? What happened, ma'am? What happened? She has not downloaded right one. Brilliant. Very good. Excellent. So it's a correct, right? No, so have you done like that only? Huh? Super. Brilliant then. If you have not done, then please correct it. See, CRAN we will not use. This is just for package and all. That is why I am trying to say you guys can do it. iCaps. This is the password, guys. IRCHNN01. Oh, single. NNN01. If it is Ematicus 2, put 02. Okay. Very good. Guys, done this part. Then please write RStudio. And here you can see download RStudio, IDE RStudio. Please download this part as well. You can see the free version. There are some amount is also there. If you are interested, you can go and buy the fourth one, 4,975 pounds, not pound, dollar, right? You can go and do that. But that is only applicable when you have a billions of billions data. Right now you don't have, right? So when you get a job in our domain, your company will give you either second or fourth one. Normally, second one they will give you. But there is no difference in this and this, guys. No difference. Only difference is here, if you have a more than 20 lakh data, it gets stuck. Your system gets stuck. But if you have here, even though you have how much data is there, no problem. And that is complete license. So lots of people can install. That is one license, lots of people can log in there. So if you are not interested the fourth one, go on the second one. But I am interested first one only. Free of cost, right? 20 lakh is suffice, no, guys, to learning. 20 lakh data is okay. Python, nothing like that. Python, everything is free. Okay. So guys, please download this. Click here, download, and then you will get this RStudio. Again, you have to select OS, which one you have, Windows, Mac, whatever you have, you can do it. My preference is always Windows. But if you have, which one you have, sir? Windows only, okay. Because there are some description, some changes there in Linux. Everyone? Done? Oh, your friend? Where is your laptop, sir? Samisu, I said yesterday, no, please, whenever you come in class, make sure you have your laptop and pen and copy. Mandatory. You are new, right? Today only, so no problem, full liberty. Without laptop, no problem. But next class onwards, I need laptop. Okay, because I will write lots of code, guys. And I want you guys can also write simultaneously. No wait for, okay, 4-hour session completed, I will go home. And then when I get time, I will see, otherwise I will not see. No problem. Not like that. You have to do simultaneously on this. Okay? Everyone? Ma'am, done? It's taking too much time because of Imarticus internet connection. Okay, who has already done, guys? Please you open RStudio. Right here, RStudio. You will get this symbol. Okay, please open this RStudio. Just type in search window RStudio. You will get this symbol. Okay, please enter. It will come. So this is my RStudio. Okay, this is my RStudio. There are 4 windows we have, guys. There are 4 windows we have. Control L. I'm cleaning this. So there are 4 windows I have. The first window is called, this window is called editor window. You have to write your program here. Second window is called console window. Whatever you can write here, you will see the report here, right? Whatever you can write here, you will see the result here. That is called console window. Third one is called environment or history window. Whatever you are writing, when you open next time, you will see what are the history there. So this is for history and environment. This one you need not to worry about this. Okay, you are not worry about this. This fourth window, we have a package, we have help button, we have plot, any visualization you wanted to do it, you can see here, right? So first, second and third, these are important window for us. Fourth one is nothing. It's not no use for us. So what I'm going to do it, I'm just picking this and I'm doing like that. Okay. What happens, sir? You have 3 only. So because first time you are using, you can see the file button, guys. In left side file, you can click on file and new window, new file. Click on new file and then you will get R script. Click on R script. Now you will get 4 window. Yes. Now what you do, guys, you can see here tools. Are you able to see that tools? Click on tools, go in global option in bottom. It's there, global option. Click on global option. You will get this options. You will get this options, right? Here you can see appearance. You can increase your font size. Increase, decrease, whatever you wanted to do it, you can do it. Okay, guys. So I'm just increasing till highest 36. Now you wanted to change the color, you can go here. This color you can say okay. Now everything is white. So you can change your color, black, white, whatever, how you wanted to write it. Normally my preference is black only, so that in recording also it will come very clearly. That is why my background, I like background, black background, right? So what I'm going to do it, again I'm clicking here, global option, appearance, and this editor theme, I'm going and picking here, tomorrow night bright, this. Tomorrow night bright. Okay, please do this. Everyone is getting black, right? Font size also have you increased? Yes, no? For you guys, still downloading? Opening? Okay. Now, dear friend, first thing please understand, R is a case sensitive language. What is R? R is a case sensitive language. What does it mean by case sensitive? Let's say I am saying A equal to 100 and I am running this. You can see the run button, guys. You can see the run button. Either you can use this or you can say control enter. Control enter. The time I put control enter, what happened? I am getting here console window. I am getting result also. Right? Console means report. Please guys remember this. You can write your code only and only in editor window. Don't write in console window. Reason is, if you write anything in console window, that will also work, but you cannot save that code. So that means whatever you will do, everything will go in vain. No benefits. In future, if you wanted to see your code, you will not get it. Whatever I am writing, I wanted to save also, right? For my future reference. So everything, whenever you write a code, please write in editor window. Are you clear, guys? Everyone? Now, I have written here A equal to this. So the time I say A equal to, it's giving in bottom 100. You can see this. Yes or no? Now I said R is a case sensitive. So I'm just saying caps A. Caps A, and then I'm running this. It is throwing an error. What error I'm getting? Object A not found. What does mean? Means it's A I have not assigned. A small a I have assigned, right? So that means R is a case sensitive language. Are you clear, guys? Everybody? Yeah. Now this A is 100. Now I am saying B equal to 50 and C equal to, I am saying A plus B. Enter. And what is C then? It's 150. That means it's okay. Simple math. Now going forward, guys, any calculation, any multiplication, any division, anything you wanted to do it, please open R for practice only, right? Normally, if you have a laptop, we are using Excel and then we are doing all calculation and all. Don't do this. You can use R only. It will work everything, right? It will go as per the BODMAS formula also. So if I say 2 plus 2 divide by 2, so it will give, answer is 3 only, not 2. So my system knows all these things. Okay? Guys, A is basically, it's a number. So you can say class A. It will tell you it's a numeric value. What is A? A is a numeric value. So A is basically an object. What is A, guys? A is an object. And we are getting this, A means numeric value. So if anybody asks you how many types of number we have, what do you say? If anybody asks you how many types of number we have, what do you say, guys? Which one? Prime numbers. You can say integer, you can say float, and you can say complex number. There are 3 types of number you will get, complex number. Okay? So one is called number. So how to write a number in your system? Second is called a string. What is a string, guys? Means character. Character is called a string. And the third one is called Boolean. Boolean value. That is called true, false. Yes or no, guys? So 3 type of data variable you will get. Yes. Too cold, huh? Very bad. Too cold. I'm also feeling, no? Thank you, sir. Ma'am, can you please AC? 5 minutes more, sir. You can sustain. Thereafter, you will feel some another heat. Okay. Guys, are you clear? So how many data types we have? What you say? Number, a string, and Boolean. Right? Number, how you write? You can assign some object. A is what? A is my object. So A equal to actually 100. B equal to 50. What is this? This is my number. Right? Any number, if you wanted to check whether it's a number or what you have to do here, I am saying AB equal to 100.50. Enter. AB. I am getting 100.5 and class is AB. It's again numeric, right? So whether it's a float value, integer value, or complex number, that will consider as a number only, numeric variable only. Now a string. I'm writing here ABC equal to hello welcome to Ematicus. Okay, let's say I'm writing. So whenever you write any character, guys, please write in quotes. Whenever you write any character, please write in quotes. If you don't write, it will throw an error. You can see here when I'm running this, and here I'm saying ABC equal to what? I'm getting the answer. Hello folks, welcome to Ematicus. But if the same sentence, guys, same sentence, I'm writing like that only. I'm writing my data equal to this. And if I run this, it is saying unexpected symbol in my data. Hello folks. It's showing error. Are you able to see that? What is the error? Because I have not written quotes. Any character, if you write it, you can write in quotes. Are you clear? Quotes, you can write single quotes or double quotes. Anything is applicable. Okay? Either I can write here, I have written double quotes, here I am writing single quotes. It's no problem at all. You can say enter and my data equal to hello folks, welcome to Ematicus. Are you clear? But there is a problem in single and double quotes. What is the problem? When you write anything, let's say I'm writing here, my data 1 equal to, I have written single quotes. Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you R language. Okay. What happened, guys? I have written here quotes, one and last. But in between, when I'm writing sentence, I have written apostrophe. This is actually apostrophe, right? I apostrophe M. But my system could not understand. They can read this first, open quotes and close quotes, and they ignore it. So that's why there is a problem in single quotes. In case, if you write anywhere apostrophe, they can read like that. So whenever you write apostrophe, my suggestion is don't write single quotes. Every time, please write double quotes. Any problem? Are you clear what is the difference in single and double? So if I write here, if I run this part, it will throw an error, unexpected error. But if I change here single quotes to double quotes, what happened, my friend? I will not get any error. See? Are you with me? If I run this, I will not get any error. Clear? Okay. Next part is, guys, I am saying A equal to 100, B equal to 200, and A is greater than B. Is it true or false, guys? False. So I am running this. I am getting false. This output is called Boolean value. What is called? Boolean. So you can see here, I am storing this value. I am saying C equal to A greater than B. I am just running this. Now I am saying C is what? False. I wanted to check. You can say class and C. It will say logical value. So Boolean is nothing. It's called logical value. What do you say? Logical value or Boolean value. Are you clear? How to write a string, how to write Boolean, and how to write this? Yes, sir, please.
Just one character. Just if you want to assign something for me.
Anywhere, how many character you can write it, hardly matter. But please ensure don't write apostrophe. If you write apostrophe, then please don't write single quote, write double quotes. Otherwise, single quote is okay.
Just one character. Say, for example, A is equal to, say, character B.
Can I say A equal to B?
Yeah. No. Put it in
Quotes.
quotes. Yeah.
Then it's okay.
The character, right?
Yeah. So A equal to, now you can say class A is considered as a character. Okay. But if I write here A equal to, let's say C, and if you don't give quotes, what happen? It will throw in. Now this is the value actually, but C is false because I have assigned. So, but let's say I'm just saying E. If I'm running now, I'm getting an error. E not found. So that means E is something object. They are looking object. Okay. So anything without quotes, they will think it's an object you are writing it. An object is not existing. Right. So a string, whenever you write, please write in quotes. Are you clear, guys? How to write a number? Everybody is clear. How to write a string? Everybody is clear. How to define the Boolean value, logical value, clear. How to check this? By the help of class. By the help of class. Class means classification. What are the classification there? Everyone? Yes, sir. So, no, simply what I did. So Boolean value, if I am assigning here, let's say ABC equal to, I am saying true. So you can say true. Next time when you write class ABC and run this, it will say logical value. Or if I run ABC alone, it will give true. Please remember, guys, whenever you write Boolean value or logical value, please write everything in caps. Either you can write here TRUE or false SE, or you can simply write T or F. This is correct, this is correct. But if you write TRUE, wrong. Okay? In R, if you write first caps, rest small character, it will throw an error. Then it will, system will understand that is character. Okay? Can I do this in your system? You can see here, if I'm writing here ABC1 equal to TRUE. What happened, guys? There the pop-up is coming, please write true. That means they are giving hint also. It's a beautiful tool, guys. One of the best tool R. By default, pop-up is hint is coming, but I'm ignoring this. I'm saying no, I don't worry about this. It is throwing an error. Are you clear? If I'm writing here A, B, C, 1 equal to only a small t, T-R-U-E. Again, hint is coming. It's true or it's a number, it's a character. If it is character, write in quotes, right? But you are saying no, it's a logical value. Then if you don't give quotes, that means it's a wrong. So either you can write this, or my dear friend, you can write only T but caps. Enter, it's working fine. A, B, C, D, 1, F, it's okay. So this is the right approach. Either write all letter caps or only you can write initial, and that would be in caps later. Clear? Again, I'm repeating, R is a case sensitive language. Don't write anything in caps. Every time, as a best practice, please write in a small character. Class, when I have written class, all should be a small letter. If you write C caps, it will throw an error. Okay? It's a language, guys. So you should know language also. Everyone? Okay? Yeah? Okay. Now, I am writing here my data equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Guys, whenever you write more than one number, please use parenthesis bracket. Okay? Please use parenthesis bracket. This is called parenthesis bracket or normal bracket, right? So you can use parenthesis bracket. And here you can write C. C would be a small character. A small, right? Means combine. What is the meaning of C means? Combine. So we are writing multiple value, right? So if you write only one, no need to write C and parenthesis bracket. But if you write more than one, then you have to write parenthesis bracket. If you don't write it, guys, if I am writing like that, if I have a 2 value, my data equal to 1, 2, 3, and if I, let's say 2 only, enter, it is throwing an error. You can see here. More than one, please use bracket and write combine function, C function. And then if I run this, and here I am saying my data is what? It will say my data means 1 to 10. Are you with me or not, my dear friend? Everyone? Okay. Now, I am writing here my data 1 equal to combined 2, 4. 2, 4. So my data 1 equal to 2, 4. Now what I'm trying to do it, guys, I'm just adding this. My data 1, my data plus my data 1. I'm getting this value. Please understand this. My data equal to 1 to 10 and my data 1 equal to 2 to 4. What happened? This is factually incorrect, right? Because here we have only 2 values there. Here we have 10 values there. But how system can read? They will add first 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 4, 6. And this 2 pair again repeated every time. Again 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 6, 10. Let's keep going on. Means system can work only when this value, a smaller value, is the pair of the above value. So this is 10. If you read 2 table, 2 5s are 10 is coming, right? But if I write here 3 value, in 3 table I will not get 10. So it will throw an error then. You can see here, when I'm writing to 1, let's say I'm writing 1 to 4. Now how many values there? 3 value. In 3 table, will you get 10 value? No. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, and 3 4s are 12. So that means 10 is not there. Now if you run, it will throw an error. What is saying? Warning message, in my data plus this, longer object length is not multiple this. So that means what happened in R, what is the beauty things is there, guys? If you make a mistake, you need not to depend to anyone. You can check your code here itself. You are a quality checker as well. Yeah, you can check your code here itself, that what mistake I have done. Whenever you write anything, if you make a mistake, you can see your result here itself and you can rectify this. So whenever you do calculation, guys, be careful. R works. First one is also wrong, second one is also wrong. Second one you are not getting answer, but first one you are getting answer. That is factually incorrect. So be careful that time also. Blindly don't go and you can say, okay, I'm just adding this. Are you with me, my dear friend? Everybody? Yes, sir.
Happiness to be first because it says
Object not found.
Yeah, that's assigned.
So that means you have not assigned correctly. Can I come? Please maintain social distance. No, you be here. No, I'm just doing this. What happened, sir?
You just trying out the things. I mean, if you say, for example, A, I have defined it as 1,
Huh.
and then I said class A, say, for example, run it here.
Hmm.
You said A,
No, so go here again. Run this control enter. Now just do class A. You have not executed correctly. That's why it's showing an error.
oh, so you have to do it.
Yeah.
So every time you.
First you run that, then only you can check. No.
Does it line by line?
Yeah. Not if you select all, you can do control A.
Okay.
Control A.
Okay. Till
And
now,
now
I have not
control.
selected it.
You have not selected. See, everything is coming now. Yeah. Yes, my friend. You are not seeing anything because you have not executed. Please execute A equal to B first. You have to run also, no? Now you can run this. See, not line by line. You can write one time and just execute first. Whatever you can write, you execute first. Writing and execute don't only you will get here. If you assigned here but you don't run, how system know this? Got it? So whatever you write first, run that, and then another function works. Right now, what happened when you are running class? Class is not able to find A where A is because you have not executed first one. Got it? Yes, my friend. Class not in caps letter. R is a case sensitive language. Class you can write a small character. Yeah. Every time you run this. Every time. If you don't run, how it happens?
If you are writing A, B, C, then control enter.
Huh.
But A equal to 100.
Huh.
Then we have to mention A.
Then you have to mention A. Correct. When you assigned A equal to 100, you have to run also. Then your system understands.
Not A, then A. But this one only is assigning value is not sufficient.
See, first you assigned, then only you execute. No, then you will check what is A. First you write A, and then you can say A equal to 100, and you are running A. How A understand? So first assign value, then only do that. Assigning means object you are assigning. Clear? First you have to assign, and if you wanted to check, then you can write A equal to just A. Press enter, you will get the value. This one is wrong. This is not mandatory. This is just for your reference. No, you wanted to see the data. Yes, my friend. Anybody? What you are doing? This is not right one. No. Our studio is not working. Oh, then enjoy your life today. Yes, sir. My God, sir. Why too big? Decrease some font size, sir. I have done because you wanted to see. No, it's your system only. Easy for you. Okay. It will work. It will work. Now you write my data. It will come one. My data. So it will work. See. This is index number only. First is index number. Whatever comes in bracket, that is index number. 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 2 3, 1 plus 3 4, 1 plus 4 5. Yeah. System already given, no? This is vector. It's not array. Array means 3-dimension data. That is vector. Vector means 1 dimension. Matrices means 2 dimension. Array means 3 dimension. So there are 5 things, guys, you will learn in R. That is called data type. That is called data type, guys. Data type. If anybody say, what are the data type in R? Your answer is, first is called vector. Second is called matrix. Third is called array. Fourth is called list. And fifth is called data frame. This is called 1-dimension data. This is called 2-dimension data. This is called 3-dimension data. This is called list format. List means individual format. Individual format. And this is called table. 99% time your client will give you data frame only. When you do the real-time job, your client will give you a data in a data frame format only. Either you have Excel sheet or CSV file, any format they will give you, that is in table format only. Are you with me? So anybody asks you what is vector actually, you can say one dimension. Guys, I have written my data. Can I say this is vector? Because one dimension data is there only. Only numbers there. No character, nothing, no row, nothing. It's one dimension only. When I executed, only one index number is coming one. Right? This is index number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first index number they are writing. Wherever you can see caps bracket means index number. Are you with me, guys? So anybody say what are the data type? What you say? Vector means one dimension. So my data and my data one are vector. You can check here. You can check this, guys. Class my data, enter. It's saying numeric value, only numbers, is vector. My data, it's saying true. That means yes, it's a vector. Clear? So vector means one dimension only. Now my dear friend, you can see here I am writing ABC equal to concatenate 10, 20, Kumar, Ematicus 100. If I execute it, I will get the value ABC. Just now I told you vector means one dimension data. Either you can write in number format or character format. Please don't write number and character together. If you write together, my system can change into everything into character only. So that 10, 20, 100 is also coming in quotes. You can see the bottom. That means that is not number now, it's a character. So if I multiply, if I say ABC into ABC, enter, I am getting an error. Why? Because character into character cannot get the answer. Are you with me? So that is actually vector. If I am writing is dot vector ABC, they will say yes, it's true. Why? Because everything convert into character. So vector means either number or character. There is no row, no column. Are you with me? That is called vector, one dimension data. Clear, sir? Your doubt is clear? Yeah? I will discuss all these things. Don't worry. I'll come one by one. Everyone, guys. Now, I am writing here ABC equal to concatenate. I am writing 100, 200, 300. Enter. BCD equal to, I am saying 200, 300 and 400. So there are two values I have written ABC and BCD, right? I am doing ABC plus BCD. It will work. What happened? Both the value 100 plus 200 got added. This is correct, right? Now if I am saying ABC minus BCD, it will also work. 100 minus 200 minus 100, right? Now if I am saying ABC into BCD, within a second I am getting answer, guys. Now I am saying here ABC to the power BCD. This meaning is I am saying 2 to the power 3. So you can say 2 to the 4 to the 8 answer. Here I have given 100, 200 and 300. Their power is 200, 300 and 400. Guys, if I ask you this question and I am giving pen and copy, I think you will not give me the answer, right? Is it possible that you can calculate 100 how many times? 200 times. Not possible, right? But system in a second only, how powerful tool is, in a second when I click one button, press enter, I will get the answer, right? Even though it's a very big answer actually, but you can see this. So what it's saying? Infinite, 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 because it's a huge, 100 you can power with 200. But can I pick the least value? Can I say here, guys, if I'm saying 10, 20 and 30. This part, let's say I'm putting here 12, 3 and 4. Let's say I'm putting 10 to the power 12. So 10 into 10 into 10, how many times? 12 times. Now if I'm doing this, and here you go. I'm getting the value. But how you read this? E means exponential plus 12. That means it will go till 12. So you can read here 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 how many times? 12 times. Are you with me? Now if I say, guys, if I say A equal to, let's say, 89 and B equal to, I am saying 8. It's very difficult now. If I say, can you please say A to the power B? Again, system will do in a second only. So they will give A to the power B. Clear? How is it happen, guys? Now, this is multiply. If I am saying power, so you can put here double this and it will give the answer. How you read? Again, it's a very big. You can see E, right? But I'm just changing here 8, B, and now I'm doing. So it's A to the power 8. How many times? This is the right answer. So wherever you can see double star, please understand that meaning is to the power. Or sometime you will also see A cap B. Both are same, guys. Both are same. This same answer. Okay. So either you can see double star or cap. Both meaning is to the power A to the power B. Are you clear, my dear friend? A B C divide by A B C D. Enter. You will get the value. Now I am doing A B C percent B C D. Percent B C D. Now you can understand what is A B C D actually. A B C is this and B C D is this. Now guys, what answer I am getting here? ABC equal to 10, 20, 30, BCD equal to 12, 3, 4. When I have written ABC percent BCD, what happened? This 10 and my answer is what is coming here? 10, 2, 2. This is 12 and this is 10, right? If you divide by, if you do division, how I'll tell you. So I am saying here, this is my 12, right? And you can divide by 10. What happened? Will you get anything? 0 point something, right? It will come. So what happened here? They are directly giving the answer. They are leaving here alone, right? You are not clear? Just give me a second. Now, please understand. This is 12. This is 10. So I am just dividing by, this. What is your answer? You will not get anything. So here this is my remainder. Can I say this is my remainder, guys? So answer is coming 10. The second value is 3. And divide by 20. Can I say 3 6 18? What is your remainder? 2. So that is why your answer is coming 2. Are you clear? Double percent means remainder. Everybody? Yeah? Okay. These are the basic maths there, guys. Every time keep in mind. Now, ABC equal to 1 to 50. ABC. What happened? I wanted to write 1 to 50. So how you write it? You can say 1 colon 50. Okay? You need not to worry about this. You just write 1 to 50. All data come at one go. Now I am saying, my friend, can you please give me what is the average value? Or what is the sum of all? Simple data set. I am saying, can you do it manually? It's very difficult, no? If you have a maths background, you can do it, no? N into n plus 1 by 2. If you know algebra. If anything going on sequence order, you can say last number into n plus n into n plus 1 by 2. But if I am saying normally, if you add 1 plus 2, 2, or 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, is it possible? You can add it manually, not possible, right? It takes time. But in R, you can simply write here sum A, B, C and run this. It will give you immediately answer in a second only, right? In a second only. If I'm writing here mean means, guys, average value A, B, C, you will get mean value 25.5. Are you with me? If I'm writing here median A, B, C, you will get median value, middlemost value. Are you with me, guys? If I'm writing what is the interquartile range A, B, C, I'm getting this. If I'm saying what is the quartile 1 A, B, C, error, quartile 1 is not coming because we have to assign this value. So here what I'm doing, I just wanted to write one simple syntax. called summary. A, B, C. Run this. You can see here, when I write one simple syntax summary, what happened? It will give me the minimum value. So in 1 to 50, we have minimum is 1 and they are giving maximum is 50. Here quartile 1, first quartile equal to 13 point this, third quartile equal to 37 point this, median equal to this, mean equal to this. 6 value I am getting at one click only. Are you with me guys? 6. Now you may confuse what is quartile 1, what is quartile 3, right? So don't worry about this. I will teach you. Okay? See, any data, any result, any report you are getting here in console window, your role is a data scientist. You can't say system, given this data. How it comes, what is the math behind that? That is also your role. You should understand. So that part also I will discuss it. So anything, if quartile 1, quartile 3 is coming, you can understand what is the meaning of quartile 1. Are you clear guys? So that part I will discuss this. Don't worry about this. Now, dear friend, you can see here, I am writing my value equal to concatenate 1 comma NA 2 comma NA 5 6 10. Let's say I'm writing here, and my value enter. You can see here, my friend, my value equal to this is what is coming 1 NA 2 NA 5 6 10. Now what is NA actually? NA means missing value. Wherever you can see NA in R, please understand that meaning is missing value. What you say? Missing value. So you can say here, I'm writing a comment here. Whenever you write comment guys, please write hash symbol. So I'm saying comments. NA means missing value in R. Okay. NAN means missing value in Python. So if you use Python, their missing value is written NAN, but in R you will see NA only. Okay, how you read it? NA only. Clear guys? Okay. Now my value is a value, but we have a missing data only. Now what I'm trying to do it guys, you can see here, I'm writing here sum of my value, and I'm going to do it enter. I'm getting NA. What happened? Ideally my answer comes here 1 plus NA means nothing, so 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 10. Yes or no? If I say what is the answer, you can say 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 6 14 plus 10 24. But my answer is coming NA. Or if there is a missing data there, you have to fix that missing data first, only then you can write anything. So whenever you write like that, you can also say here is dot NA or is dot NA equal to true. Now again it's coming missing value. So that means we have to first fix. How you fix this? That is mandatory, right? Because see what happened when you get a raw data, when your client will give you, maybe they will give you 1,000, 1 lakh, 50 lakh, 50,000, anything data they can give you. And that time, first thing first, what you do, when you import the data set, you can check what is the missing here. Do we have any missing data or not? Okay. So that part is called missing value treatment. Missing value treatment. Okay, sir. That is called missing value. So if there is a missing data, you can write here, if there is a missing data with your vector form, please use rm.na equal to true. You can see here, I'm writing here my value, I'm writing here sum my value rm dot na or na dot rm equal to true. And when I'm doing this, I'm getting 24. Are you with me guys? So what is the meaning of na dot rm? Meaning is na dot rm means remove NA value. NA means missing value. Clear, sir? Everybody? So if you get any data like that, right? Wherever NA there, what syntax you have to write? What syntax, guys, you will write it? Is dot NA or NA dot RM. NA means missing, dot RM means remove. Equal to true, you can say yes, true. Means I wanted to apply. If you say false, means you are saying no, I don't want to apply. Then your answer will also come not apply. Clear, guys? Simple or difficult, guys? Language is very simple, no? Whatever I'm writing, it's very simple or difficult. It's like C++, Java kind of thing. It's not straightforward, right? I'm speaking and writing. Same thing is happening. That is why I can say, guys, R is one of the easiest language. If you learn any technical language, R in Python is one of the easiest language. It's like an English language, guys. Whatever you can speak, you can write exactly the same. No code, nothing, no syntax you have to remember. Everyone agree, disagree, guys? Can we do one project today? Because project is mandatory. Whatever we can do, every time we will do some project. Can we do one project, guys? Yeah. So there is the inbuilt data set is there. There is inbuilt data set here. So you can see here, system will give you a lots of data for your practice. So I'm writing here, inbuilt data set given in R for your practice. These data set are called Boston data set, MTCars data set, Iris data set, okay, and so on. I'll tell you, I'm picking one data set today, okay, and we will do lots of practice here. So you can see here, guys, first I'm picking here MTCars. I'm running here MTCars. It's a transport data, vehicles data, right? You can see here I'm getting all kind of data in my system. So we have mileage, cylinder, disc, HP, DTART, Mazda RX-5, Dustin, Hornet, all kind of vehicles detail is given, and what is their mileage, what is all these things is given, right? Inbuilt data is given. Okay, guys, what I have done, I have just written MTCars. Now the project is, I am saying how many total rows there and how many total columns there. What are the name of rows and what are the name of columns? What are the average value of row? What is the average value of column? What is the minimum and maximum value? What is the all stats I'm telling you? How you can give me? Manually not possible. It will take lots of time. If I say, can you give me the average value for all? How long you will sit and add this? And if I say, okay, I'm giving a job, your work is every day you come and do this activity. One day, okay, you will come very enthusiastically. You can say, yes, I got job, I will do this very simple work. And when you start doing this, tomorrow you will not turn up. Yeah. So what I'm going to do it, guys, I'm just trying to do it. So please understand basic stuff. First, I'm writing here, how many rows are there? Going forward, guys, I will not say row or column. I will say observation. Okay, observation means row and variable means column. Will you remember this? Every time I will say a variable. Variable means column and observation means row. It's a standard word. So every time, when you go, everybody, all data scientists will say observation and variable. Okay, they will not say. So how many observation we have in the MTCars data set? This is the first question. What you do? You can simply write, guys, NROW, number of row, and just pass here MTCars. Enter. How many rows, guys? 32 rows there. Simple, difficult, guys? Will you remember number of rows? N row? Yes, no? Next. How many variable we have in the MTCar data set? What you do? You can say number of call. Number of call means column. MTCars. Please run enter. How many columns, guys? 11. I find number of row and column one by one. I am saying, is it possible that both will come together? Number, row and column? Yeah, that is called dimension. What is the dimension of this of the empty cars data set. You can say DIM, dim function. Please remember function also, guys. Dim, empty cars. And if you write at one go, you will get 32, 11. Now, first things we will consider row and second thing we will consider column. I have just defined 32 row and 11 columns. And when you write dimension, you will get both the value. So how you read it? First you can read row, second you can read column. Will you remember this, guys? Very simple, no? How many syntax you have learned? Class is one. Class will tell you what type of this. This is one function. Second, what you have seen? Summary function you have seen. Yes or no? Third function, number of row, number of column, and dimension function. Very simple. Other thing is object only. Whatever functionality you have seen. How to assign number, how to assign character, how to assign this. Simple or difficult, guys? Many syntax, guys, you will learn it. And I am not hesitate to tell you, if you will not do regular practice, many you will forget also. So I need regular practice, at least couple of weeks, right? Because this is the initial phase, guys. Once you start doing, when I go in algorithm and all, you will not find challenge because you know all these things. But it's a initial phase. No, you are learning language. Any language, if you wanted to learn, you have to. There are 4 things. No, any child, baby born, what happened? You have to. They are listening first, then they are trying to speak, then only they are trying to read or write. Right? These things happen. You guys can also listening. Of course, I am speaking. You guys are listening very carefully. Second is you are also writing it. When you start writing, you can also read it. Now you can see dimension dim. The time you see dim, you can understand. Means I'm talking how many rows and how many columns. Don't get confused how many columns and how many rows. First, always in R, consider as a row and then column. Are you with me, guys? My dear friend? Yeah. Now I'm saying, what is the name of row or observation? You can say names, not names. You can say row names. Empty cars. Enter. And you can see 32 rows there. All 32 is coming. This is anything which comes in caps bracket, guys. Please understand that meaning is index value, right? So index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, index 5, 6. Like that it's happened, right? So how many last is index is 31. So this is called 32. Are you with me? See here, 19. If I ask you what is 20, you can say 20 is this. Clear, guys? So row names, if you wanted to see what are the names there, you can write this. If I say, guys, if I ask you again, what are the name of column or variable? What is your answer? You can say call names. See how simple it is. Empty cars. Enter. And you will get these are the call names. Means variable names. Everybody, names is also give you, either you write call name or you can simply write names. Names will also give you the same answer. So either you can write call names or you can write names. Simple or difficult, my dear friend? Yeah, everybody. Now I am going to do some mathematical calculation. Okay, I am going to do some mathematical calculation. You can see here, guys. I am saying, can you please give me average value of all 11 variables? What I'm asking, can you please give me average value for all 11 variables? Meaning is, this is my data set, empty car is my data set, right? I am saying, what is the value of this value, add 21 plus 21 plus 22 plus this. So all column you have to add and tell me what is the average, right? This is what my ask is. And for all, what you have to do? You can simply, you can go here and you can write mean empty cars, run this. It is saying error. System is showing an error. So why? Because system is unable to give all answer at one go. So for that, you can write here $sign, guys, $sign. The time you put $sign, by default there is a pop-up comes. What pop-up is? It's a variable name. Wherever you can see $sign, meaning is I am enabling their variable names. So in empty car is a data set, raw data, where what is the variable? MPG, cylinder. You can see if you drop down, you will get all 11 variables. Okay, you have to go one by one. I'm selecting MPG, enter this. I'm getting the value. Are you with me or not, guys? Similarly, mean, empty cars, $sign and cylinder. Here you can go value. So how many times you will write, guys? How many times you will write this? If we have 11 variables, 11 times you will write it. Again, can I say it's a manual work? I don't want to do manual work. Yes or no? Or do you want to write 11 times? Can you imagine if you have 100 variables? Will you write 100 times same function? It's kind of manual activity. Even though R is very smart, very fast, but still we are doing manual activity. Are you ready to do this? Yes, I am not. You are ready to do this 100 times? If 11 times, I am not ready to do at all. For that, there is a function there, guys. There is a function there. We can use summary, empty cars, and enter. And you can see here, guys, all 11 at one click. I am getting all. Are you feeling Diwali kind of things? Yeah. Yes or no, guys? So here MPG, I am getting here mean value 20. Cylinder, I am getting mean value is this. This I am getting mean value here. Everything I am getting it. But the challenge is my stakeholder asked me to give only mean value, but I am giving other value also. And sometimes that will give a backfire also. No, normally you're saying that your boss is asking what? Please give that only. Don't go overexcited and give all data. Then it will turn back. They say, why you have given this data? Or they say, what is this quartile 1 and quartile 3? And if you are not good, sir, I didn't do anything. It's system, no. Do you want this answer? So ask is only mean value. So how to give mean only? For that, there is a function there, guys. There is a function there. I want only mean value of empty cars. How will you give this? This is the ask here. So what you do, there is approach. What is called? There is approach. One is called apply function. Another is called lapply function. Then other is called tapply function. Other is called sapply function. Another is called vapply function, and so on. My suggestion is please go by, or please use only these three. Please use these three. Whatever I'm writing, guys, this is for your reference. When I complete, I will upload in your drive also. Okay. But how it happened, guys? Any one volunteer, this is what I'm doing for all batch, right? In your batch, it's a DSP 35, right? Any one volunteer, please create one Gmail account. Okay. Share to everyone what is the Gmail account and what is their password. Everyone, including me. What I will do, every day I will complete the syllabus. I will go in Gmail account, and there in Drive I will upload date by date, so that everybody has access. You can download in your system. Who will do this? Who will create Gmail? Who will create? What is your name, sir? Rupak. Okay. So by EOD today, you have a Gmail group, WhatsApp group? No? Or not created? So next week when you come, sir, okay, you will get a Gmail, this WhatsApp group. Asya will share with you. Okay. You can share user ID and password to everyone. Okay, Rupak, including me. Today what we'll do, you are writing, it's the first day, I'm going very, as per your pace. I'm going very fast, guys, or it's okay? It's okay, no? When I go very fast, please let me know. I will change my speed and all. So if next week Rupak will not give user ID and password, then he would be the culprit. Okay. So I need user ID and password next week. Clear, Rupak? Fine. Okay, ma'am. Everyone, guys? Fine. So what I'm saying here, I wanted only. So you can use, don't go much sapply, vapply this. I'm just giving a flavor so that you can explore more. Just I'm writing for your understanding only. But actually you will use every time apply or gapply function, lapply function only. Right? Tapply is also required. I'll tell you how. So three things I'm going to discuss now. Okay. First, lapply. If they are asking only mean value, you can write here lapply. Lapply empty cars, and here you can write mean. See how simple it is, guys. Empty car is my raw data. Empty car is my raw data, and there I'm writing mean, and just I have written lapply, and that's the function will give you all mean value only. Is it right, guys? You can say, boss, MPG, this is the mean value, cylinder, this is the mean value, this. Yes or no? If they say, can you give me the add, can you give me the summation only? You can say lapply, bracket, empty cars, and give sum alone, enter. You will get all sum value. Simple or difficult, guys? Very simple. Your life is very smooth. If you know apply function, you can do anything. How long it takes, man? If I say pen copy, can you do this? You can say definitely, sir. Next week when you meet, then I'll see that, and then so and so on. Lots of cooked story you will tell me. Lapply function clear, everybody? Sir? Keep quiet, sir. Speak. Every day, Saturday, Sunday, once I complete 2 hours, I will give you 20 minutes break. It's a rule, okay? So that you will not feel bored, you will not feel sleepy. You can go refresh yourself, tea, coffee, whatever you want, and then come back and we'll start. This is my approach. If you want 2 break, please let me know. Then I will cut 20 minutes, I will cut 10 minutes and 10 minutes. Or you need 1 break. What you want? 1 break? 1 is okay, no? 20 minutes is suffice. You can go outside, have fun with your gossip with your friend and come back. 10 minutes, what I will do? It's okay or not? So what is time now? Please go, refresh yourself. Please come back 6:20. I will start further story and all. Clear, guys? Okay, sir? Go take tea. Why you worry? My God, is frustrated. When class will over?